guys, what's up? Nickel HD here, and today we're opening Match Attax 2016-17. Okay, now let's open this bracket. Okay, come on, open. I can't open it. Oh, look inside. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, let's see what we've got. Okay, so they're all upside down. I can't see the cards. Okay, I'll pull them up like this. Okay, the first card is a Welsh defender, and it's Ben Gibson. Okay, let him go to the side. Right here, amongst me. Okay, the next card is from... No, this is Middlesbrough. It's Middlesbrough. And that's Ben Gibson. It's not Wales. This is Barley. And defender from Barley. And it is Ben Mee. Okay. The next one is a West Bromwich midfielder, and it is Chris Brunt. Okay, next is a Crystal Palace forward, and it is Christian Benteke. That's good. We got Christian Benteke. Next is a Liverpool midfielder, and it is Coutinho. Please say it's Coutinho. It's Giorgio Wijnaldum. I don't know. I can't pronounce that name. Next is a Tottenham midfielder, and it is Dele Alli. All-rounder Dele Alli. Dele Alli. Okay. Next is an Arsenal forward, and it is Theo Walcott. Next is a collect and play online to win an exclusive card posted to your door, and it is Ross Barkley. That's the code if you want it. Right there. Okay. Next is Southampton Club. And yep, it's Southampton's badge. The next is a Manchester City defender. Manchester City defender. Who could it be? And it is Man of the Match, Sagna! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! I'm about to cry. No, it's really sick. Oh, it's turning red. I'm about to cry. Okay, I can't believe this. I can't. Okay, I'm done. I am done. And I'm selling this packet for $9.99 if you want it. No, just joking. Okay. My best 3 cards are, let's see, Theo, or is it? These are my 3 best cards that I Okay. That's it for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye-bye.